Hello everyone. We are going to start Python programming series on this channel. In this series, we are going to cover basic to advanced Python in detail, step by step. So let's begin with the introduction of Python. So before going on to the introduction, we will see what is programming. So just like we humans communicate with each other with the help of different languages like English, Hindi, Marathi, and many other languages. So, for communicating with computers, we use uh, programming languages. Example C, C++, and Python. So, suppose I have a problem, sum of two numbers. So, how can I describe this to my friend? So for describing this to my so for describing, I will say that I want the sum of a two number 10 plus 5. So my friend will respond to me that the sum of two number 10 plus 5 is 15. So how can we describe the same problem to the computer? So for describing the same problem to the computer, we use programming languages like C++, Python, and C. C was released on 1972, and C++ developed later developed after C uh, in 1985, and Python was developed in 19 in time period of 1989 to 1991. And who developed Python? Python was created by a Dutch programmer, Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum in the time period of 1989 and 1991. The first official release of Python came out in 1991. So, uh, what is Python? So, Python is a programming language. Up till now, you may have get idea what is programming languages. So, Python is a programming languages which is easy to learn, great for beginners, and interpreted language. Uh, Widely used in many fields like web development, data science, AI, automation, game development, etc. And it is also high-level languages. So we will look into the each point step in detail. So it is easy to learn and read. Like it is easy to learn and read syntax-wise, and for beginners it is very simple and easy language, and also it is an interpreted language. What is meant by interpreted language? Language means the Python executes code one by one, line by line, not like a compiler. In compiler, the whole block of code execute at once and show the error at after executing the whole block of code. But in interpreted, uh, if get an error in the third line, so it will stop on the third line and throw the error. So why we learn Python? Python for because it is easy to learn and read sim- simple syntax. Syntax wise, it is easy, and also it is a versatile. Uh, Used in many fields like web development, data science, AI, automation, game development, etc. And in future, Python is will be the most demanding programming languages. So moving on forward, why did Guido van Rossum created Python? Guido van Rossum wanted to make a programming language that was simple and easy to read, powerful enough for real world work, flexible and open source. Open source means it is an open source. Anybody can use the Python programming language. It is not paid. paid language, and also it is fun to use. That's why Guido van Rossum created Python programming language. Why name Python? Guido van Rossum wanted a short and unique name, so he was a fan of the British comedian show, which was the show name was Monty's Python Flying Circus. He wanted to name the programming short and unique, and also fun. So he chose Monty Python Flying Circus shows and copy the Python word from the shows. And what are the flaws of Python? Disadvantage of Python. It is slow in speed compared to C++ because C++ and C are the interpreted language, not compiled language. Compilers are faster than interpreters. That's why Python are slower in speed. Not ideal for mobile app development. Python is rarely used in mobile apps like Android, iOS, etc. So that's it for today. This whole notes you will get in the description box. Uh, so have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.